What's up, brother?
Hey, Rod.
What are you up to, bro?
Oh, dude, we're working on Alice, and we're fixing the injection pump. Has an injection pump seal, leaking diesel fuel into the crankcase.
Okay.
So today we pulled off the front end of our tractor, and we got pretty far. So we're happy with what we got, and we just got to get off this the hub on the front of the injection pump, so we can get to the gear behind it to disconnect the injection pump from the drivetrain on the front of the engine. So.
All right.
Yep.
Check that out. So next time we're gonna bring down a puller. We'll pull off that, what do you call that flange on there?
Yeah, a little,
All right.
little pulley hub. Yeah.
Perfect.
Doing good.
Worked out great. Got the bucket put up on the welding table. Mike's cleaning our tools for us. What's up, Miguel? Yeah? All right.
What do you think, dude? Is that bigger? I think it's bigger. The dugout's like a lot
Looks a little bigger, yeah.